What's up, y'all? It's shoot day today. We're at Ballers Social Sports in Fishtown, new spot that opened up. So we're gonna shoot some stuff on the pitch here and then gonna move around upstairs. It's an incredible space, so really nice for a background for our new fall, winter, holiday collection. So I've got Isaiah here modeling today. Isaiah, say what up to the camera. Julian's here, and then we've got Alex on video, Hui on the vlog, and then we got Matt coming to do photos in a little bit. I'm just here hanging around, making sure things don't break and fall apart. So let's go. So Isaiah, make sure it's tucked the right way. Yeah, cool. All right, well, let me see. Hold on. No, take the tee off, take the tee off. Yeah, take the tee off. Hey. Cut. Actually, you know what? Have the ball just already there, and you kind of, so you come down, you zip so maybe have your hoodie zip down a lot more. So you basically like do this. So you're gonna come down here, like come into frame, like jog down, zip your jacket up. You see the ball, and then obviously you flick it up or whatever, and then you start doing it. That was really good.
When he walks off and then
They're both cold, but I think we've done enough black, so this would be a nice differentiator.
Or would you want to do the blue one because you already have this purple?
Ooh, that's a good point. Yeah. Let's put this guy on.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah, yep, blue, yep. There's no pressure, bro. Take your time.
There we go. He's going to feed you the ball, and you're going to look up, trap the ball. So then feed it to his right foot.
Right foot, okay. And then maybe look off to your left so that you can see the Liberty's football on the right.